Hello and welcome for 10 minutes meditation session. Take a seat or lay down. Let your body get comfy. If it feels okay, close your eyes. If not, just soften your gaze. Let your hands rest. Give yourself this short break. Take a slow breath in through your nose and a gentle breathe out. Again, in and out. No need to force it. Just easy, natural air moving in and out. Notice the cool air on the inhale, the warm air on the exhale. If your mind is busy, that's okay. Minds do that. Each time you notice it, come back to this breath. In, out. Here, now. Bring a soft attention to your face. Relax your forehead. Unclench your jaw. Let your tongue rest. Soften your neck and shoulders. Maybe drop them a little. Feel your chest rise and fall with each breath. Notice your back, upper, middle, lower, letting it be just as it is. Relax your belly. No need to hold anything. Feel your hips, your legs, your feet on the ground. From head to toe, let the whole body be here, breathing. Now, open your awareness to your senses. What do you hear right now? Near sounds? Far sounds? Just notice. What do you feel on your skin? Air on your face? Clothes? The chair? The floor? Any smell or taste in your mouth? Just simple noticing. If your eyes are open, what do you see? Just colors, without labels. Let the sense hold you in the middle. Thoughts may show up. That's normal. When a thought comes, gently name it thinking. When a feeling comes, name it feeling. When a body sensation comes, name it sensation. After you name it, let it be. No need to fix or chase. Return to your breath on your senses, like coming home. Take one slow breath in and out. Notice one tiny thing you are grateful for in this moment. Maybe the warmth on your hands, the support of the chair, the quiet, or even the fact you showed up. Keep it small and real. Feel that for a few breaths, what you are thankful for. If you like, set a simple intention for the rest of your day. I will come back to the present when I remember, or one calm breath again and again. Choose one line and let it sit in your head. Again, I will come back to the present when I remember, or one calm breath again and again. Take one last slow breath in and out. If your eyes were closed, let them blink open. Give yourself a small smile. Carry the simple present with you. Breathe is slowly. Breathe out gently. Feel your feet. Relax your shoulders, soften your jaw. Notice one sound, one body sensation, one breath. Say inside, here and now. Breathe once more, here and now. Continue your day.